we are looking at how to say hello in Irish. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce more interesting Irish names and words as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. How do you go about pronouncing this phrase? Dia, Dia. It's a G sound, not a D sound. Dia Huit, Dia Huit, Dia Huit. A throaty GH sound. Dia Huit is how it is said in Irish. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support indeed. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words and names from Ireland, whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.